Hi all, welcome to another session of Cambridge Academy IGCSE session paper 1. In this video, we are going to solve May-June 2020 paper 1. Let's start. Question number 1. Which statement is correct? Accounting involves measuring profit and losses. The first option is correct. So we can say correct option is A. Second question. The balances remaining on the books of a business after the preparation of the income statement included the following. They are given one table, and what is our question? Question is, what was the total liabilities? Total liabilities is equal to current liabilities plus long-term liabilities. So let's check our liabilities. Loan from XY Finance. Loan is a long-term liability. Wages due, wage not paid yet. That is the current liability. Rent prepaid. Rent prepaid is, before the time business has paid the rent. It is a current asset. Trade receivables. That is the customers owes money to the business. That is the current asset of the business. Trade payables. Yes, that is another current liability. Motor vehicle asset, provision for depreciation is the expense. So we have three liabilities. What is the total amount? 10,000 plus 620 plus 4,650 is equal to 15,270. So the correct answer is C. 3. On 2nd April, Nina received a check from Zafar. Nina is receiving check from Zafar, a credit customer. So Nina is the supplier, Zafar is the customer. On 12th April, the check was returned unpaid by the bank. Check returned by the bank means dishonored check. So, when Nina receiving check from Zafar, bank account debit and Zafar is credited. Then what entry would Nina make on 12th April? When we are receiving check, when we receive check, bank account debit and customer, here the customer is Zafar. Zafar account is credit. Here the check has returned. So what Nina will do? Nina will return the check to Zafar. So the transaction is just opposite transaction. How we enter? We will enter Zafar account debit, Zafar account debit and bank account credit. So the correct option is A is irrecoverable. No. D is the correct answer. Four. Anne is a trader. On 1st April, Cindy's account in Anne's ledger showed a credit balance of $520. The following transactions took place during April. Anne returned goods $30 to Cindy. Anne bought goods 210 from Cindy and paid in cash. What is the question? Which statement about the balance on Cindy's account in Anne's ledger on 30th April is correct? Here, Cindy's account in Anne's ledger showed a credit balance. It means Cindy is Anne's creditor. It means the supplier. Credit balance 520, balance brought down 520. The following transaction took place during April. Anne returned. It is a purchase return. Anne returned goods to Cindy means it is a purchase return. Purchase, credit purchase we enter on the credit side, while the return we entered on the debit side. So return is 30. Next transaction. Anne bought goods 210 from Cindy and paid cash on time. This transaction will take here? No. This is the cash transaction. Cash transaction we will not enter in the sales ledger. So this we will not take. So what is the balance? Balance is 520 minus 30 is 490. Balance carried down 490, brought down 490. Here Anne owes to Cindy $490. So the correct answer is A. Question number 5. Goods bought on credit by who are purchasing Tumelo from Tobago are returned before they are paid for. Tumelo keeps a full double entry system. Where will Tumelo record the returns of goods? Tumelo keeps a full double entry system. First option, cash book and sales ledger. This is not a cash transaction. This is the returned goods. So the first option is wrong. Second option, general ledger only. We are not entering only general ledger. He is keeping the full double entry system. So this is wrong. Third one, general ledger and purchase ledger. Yes, the correct answer is C. Hope all are clear with today's solution. Thanks for watching.